So let's answer the question that we have, right? What are the 5 most popular toppings? So let's try to answer that question with a pivot table. All right, so the pivot table, like I said, is going to help you summarize, present, and do a couple calculations with your data. In order to use pivot tables, we're going to go over to Insert, and we have here Pivot Table. We're just going to click on that, and we're going to get this command prompt here, and we're going to have to give it the range, right? So what's the data that we want to use in this pivot table, right? So we're going to select all of the data that we have. So here we can use Shift and Control to select all of our data, right? You can see it's a lot of data. We have like 48,600 rows, right? So it's a lot of data. You don't want to be working with all of this by hand, right? So the pivot table is going to help us out with that. And so I selected all of my data. All of that data is going to be part of your pivot table, right? So now I'm going to go to existing worksheet so that I can output this pivot table on this worksheet. And for the output, right? For output, I'm going to select this cell over here. Just make sure you have some space, right, around your table here, because it's going to generate a table. So you want to have space around the cell where you're making your pivot table, right? So here, I'm just going to press OK.